Without confidence you can't speak in English. Yes my friends, it is real true. It's a universal truth because you may find yourself when you are trying to speak in English, you maybe think what people say about me. Am I speaking correct or not? My pronunciation is correct or not? So, like this, so many questions arises in our mind. But if you lack of confidence, you have little confidence, you can't speak in English. Maybe you have great knowledge about English. You have great knowledge about grammar. You have great knowledge as compared to the English speaker, but you can't speak in English because you didn't have practiced mostly, and you haven't gain and adapt that quality to speak in English, because this is quality of confidence. And how we can gain get confidence, that's the my part of this video today. So it is very important to have confidence for speaking English. Maybe you have little knowledge, but if you have confidence, you can speak. Maybe your pronunciation wrong, maybe your grammar structure, sentence structure wrong, but you have that quality to speak. And start now speaking, because one day never come. If you are saying to yourself, I will speak in fluently one day, but my friend, one day never come. Try to understand this and speak in English. I know, because you know the importance of English, but with your people, around your people, they don't know importance of English. That because you are shying to yourself, you are comparing to others. They are saying to you, English is just a language, you don't have to speak in English, you speak in Marathi, because Marathi is very great language, Hindi is very great language. I know, I respect Marathi, Hindi, but I also know the importance of English, because English is an international language. I know there are 5 6 international languages, but English is a most usable, and it is the future of all the world, English. Okay, so important that things, remember that things, and make sure to get out of this negative naysayers people, from your life. You want to grow, then you have to decide yourself, you have to get confidence. What people say, this is the most common thing to, uh, in order to speak in English, because most of the people, they are afraid of the comments of other people, opinions of other people. If you want to grow, what do you, why do you need to others opinion, why do you need to other suggestions? You have your mind, and you have enough knowledge right now. Try to use it. Find your friends to who can with who you can speak, practice with that person. English is a future, okay? And I am motivational speaker. My name is Deepak Deshmukh. So till then, take care and don't forget to smile. Bye bye. See you in next video, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.